glasses, short hair and £2.50 glasses. I asked her, why did you choose modern politics?
He seemed okay and not a stalker. I said I just tried to talk to anyone who fears we're headed to dystopia.
Maybe we'll live in that already. My sense of the features unsteady.
Yeah, me too. And now the only thing that you can do is keep your head on, 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 keep your head on.
'Cause they will do anything to gaslight you.
'Cause they do.
This room's so cold, the paint is peeling. The Tudors lit, I've got a feeling we should go and get a drink and talk it over more.
Let's try some further education before we get intoxication. Don't look back. We might learn more than we bargained for. You got to keep your head on, 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 keep your head on.
'Cause they will do anything to turn the world on you. Make you feel like a serf, a fool, but you got to stay cool.
Keep your head on, 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 keep your head on,
Keep your head on, keep your head on, keep your head on, keep your head on, keep your head on, 'cause they will do anything to gaslight you.